Metals traded mixed yesterday, while the energy, that is crude oil and net gas, also traded mixed. We have seen gold trading sideways with a stronger resistance seen at across 25.8, 25.12 zone, while silver has also hit the highs, though it is traded bullish, but it is yet to break beyond the critical milestone at 29.50. The same with crude oil. It has shown a sharper dip. It has breached below the stronger support at 73.8 and now trading at 73, while it is the net gas is the one which is rallied strong and it is now come towards 2.33 level. So what to expect from gold, silver, oil and net gas, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. That is the most important part, because see, if you miss the next update before the US session, you will definitely miss the major movements before with the US session. So thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Your friends, your every like button, every share is a great support and motivation for me, and I do read your all your comments, and this is also definitely greater motivation for me to deliver consistently. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. With that, let's start. We will see first gold followed by silver, then crude oil and Indian net gas, and I am going to give you the trading levels. If you look at gold on the hourly chart, see, I can see a double top forming here. Look at the formation here. It is trading in the same pattern. Now, once it trades below 24.94 today, you can take a selling entry. Another important observation is the higher lows it is showing. Thus, till 24.90.88 first support, 24.84 the next, and 24.78.80 the third. If and only if gold trades below 24.78.80, you can treat this as bearish. Else, I can see it trading sideways as of now, and it is taking support as well. The stochastic has come to bottom. MACD is trading bearish. RSI has dropped and trying to look upwards now. Look at 2 hour. Similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts. Divide this into two and see a V-shaped recovery is seen. It is trading sideways. What has happened here is happening the same here. What preceded this was a drop. I will wait which direction it gives a breakout. Any move beyond 25.10, 25.12 is a good point for us to take a buying entry, and then we can expect a rise towards 25. 17.5, 25.20 first target zone, and if it breaks this zone, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a very handsome rise, very good rise in gold towards 25.30 to 25.50 levels very soon. Right now I can see it taking support here on the downside. If you look at the stochastic, this is drop. The MACD on the 2 hour charts has crossed over, trading with divergence. It can lead to more bearishness here. Just watch out for the couple of candles. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour, the observation on the 3 hour charts is more or less same. I am just focusing on see higher lows it is shown, and the consolidation is it is showing at the top. Very important for it to stay about 25.10, 25.12 zone. That will confirm the reversal. And see what has happened here. It is waited for the moving average to come up. The 20 period moving average is now sitting at around 24.90 levels, which is going to be a very good support here. And till then it can try to stay sideways, wait for the moving average to come up, then hit the zone and bounce back. So this is one possibility you should not ignore. See what has happened in gold so far. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement here, and now again it is trying to give a breakout. Moving averages are definitely looking upwards and are staying bullish. Stochastic has hit the highs here. Look at the MACD. See, after delivering a good wave, it is willing to cross over for sell. This is something which you have to watch out for. First cross, second cross, third crossover here. This crossover, and see, this is rather, I will take it as the fourth crossover. This crossover is very important. I will wait for a couple of candles, and then you can say now it is going to hit towards the bottom here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 4. On the 4 hour chart, see similar observation here. Preceding few candles, you can find out diminishing bullishness, sideways movement, reversal sign, flat bottom. We have to wait for it to break. Now you can sell here at 24.94 levels and expect it to move towards 24.90, 24.84 levels, and below 24.78.80 is where the bears will be seen. Else it is going to stay in the zone here. Be watchful. It is right now not showing bearish momentum, but yes, it is showing slight signs of a little retracement on the downside. See these two candles are important. A flat base here, it suggests that there is greater support in between 24.85 84 zone and 24.87 88 zone. So this 24.84 to 88 zone is something you have to watch out for. Very important. If you look at the stochastic, this has hit the highs. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over, but yes, it has seen a good highs here. So possibility of a crossover exists, and then the bearish move will start. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to daily. If you look at the daily chart, see, first of all, a greater resistance is observed at 25.10, 25.12 zone. Today, what is yesterday? Look at the candle, indecision candle. It has seen a longer tail, and the highs are limited. Lower highs are seen. Today, it is started on a bullish note, and now trying to erase the gain. So possibility exists that it can try to come somewhere here towards 24.90, 24.84 zone, and then below. If it breaks this zone, then you can expect that the bears are back, and we can look forward to correction. See what is happening here. Look at the pattern: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise. See, this is a stronger one, so the retracement could be stronger. How low it can go if it continues to break? I think this zone is important: 24.80, 84, 24.78, 84 rather, I will say. So first, you can sell here at 24.94, expect 24.90, then 24.87, then 24.84, then 24.78, 80. Very, very nearby, but very strong supports here. Only below 24.78, you can expect more bearishness. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 25.8, and below, beyond 25.08, you can expect 25.12 as the first and very strong resistance zone. After that, you can look forward to 25.75, 17.5. Beyond that, you can expect 25, 26, and 25, 32 levels also possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at the hourly chart for silver. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average and also 29.20. See, I have mentioned two levels every day in my weekly review. In my daily review, I am sharing this: 29.20, 29.50. These are definitely greater resistance zone. And what has happened? Silver is striking 29.50, is trying to retrace, but on the downside now 29.20 is another very good support. So now for now we know that this is a no trade zone for us, and we should not initiate any entry in between these levels here. That is very clear. The stochastic has dropped, trying to rise. MACD has crossed over here at the highs, and it is trading with slight divergence and bearishness. It could lead to, see, couple of crossovers. This is the third one. This could lead to a sharper drop. Let's wait. RSI has dropped here though. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. And yes, higher lows and higher highs are seen here, trading in the bullish channel. Wait for it to drop below 29.20 in order to stay bearish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, first, second, third attempt of a crossover, and I think this should lead to reversal. Let's wait if it gives this reversal sign here, and if it is a reversal. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, see, first of all, a flat top is seen in the preceding two candles, which suggests that 29.50 indeed, which I have mentioned also several times, is a greater resistance. Now see this candle also trying to close. I will wait for the next candle, and once it stays below 29.20, you can take a selling entry. However, till 28.80, do not treat this as bearish. Only bearishness today in silver is below 28.80, where you can expect 28.50 as the first support zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD has seen good rise. It is trying to converge. I'll wait for the crossover for a retracement. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour chart. Look at the 4 hour chart. Similar observation here. See, lower lows are seen, and a flat top suggests an expanding triangle and bearish move here. And specifically below 25.20, we can expect more bearishness, where the prices might erase the gains till towards 28.80 levels, or in fact can drop lower. But right now, I will say it is not suggestive of a stronger bearish momentum here. You have to be careful in between 29.20, 29.50 zone. Very, very strong resistance exists in between this zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD rising. MACD has seen a good rise here, and it has seen the highs at plus 40. See, bottom was at minus 40. The high is now at plus 40. Chances of a reversal from the current levels exist strong. You have to watch out. This was the last time it has hit plus 40. It has reversed sharp, and we have seen a good drop. Again, only this time at the beginning of 2024, you have seen this rising further high. But I think plus 40 levels on MACD are pretty strong enough for a reversal. RSI overbought, trying to cool down. Coming to look at daily chart, similar observation, flat top, and this is definitely a greater resistance here. Look at this. The ideally the drop started from here, then the retracement, then the drop, and now it has come back to same zone. Now this is definitely critical for silver to break beyond. If it stays beyond 29.50, you can say that the bulls are back in action, and then we can look forward to 29.75, 30, 30, 50, and in fact 31 levels here. Yes, staying above 29.50, we can see more bullishness. Also, if you notice, it is trading in this bullish channel. The lows of the channel are now far below at 28. So if it drops below 28.80 today, do not think of buying silver. We can see a stronger reversal. The stochastic extremely overbought. MACD has seen a good rise, trading with divergence. Candles bit flattened. It could reverse. RSI is flat. So considering this, very simple, buy at 29.50, stay bullish for 29.75, 80, 30, 30, 50, 31. These are also possible, but it requires. So yes, very simple. Do not trade between 29.20, 29.50. Again, re-emphasizing below 29.20, 29, 28.80, 28.50. Very, very good support. Below that, you can expect it to move towards 28, 20 and $28 levels. There is a possibility till 28 if it continues to drop. On the upside, yes, beyond 29.50, do not think of selling silver. You can expect a good rise here towards 29.75, 80, 30, 30, 50, and in fact 31. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at. See, crude oil, we have seen, I have shared earlier as well, yesterday as well, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, consolidation, drop. And see, after consolidation, I mentioned yesterday that once it breaks below 74.5, you can expect a good drop. What has happened after the drop? It is again seen a down move here. Now it has come down to the support. 73 is the first support level here. Because see this, look at the highs here. After this, it has breached this and it's strengthened. Now it has come down to the same zone here at 74, 73. This zone is very, very important here. Now, if it breaks below this, we have the scope till towards 72. What is happening here right now? After consolidation break here, and now see it is looking downward. So possibility of a downward move exists. Only bullishness today in oil is above 73.8. The stochastic oversold, MACD at bottom, RSI oversold here. Coming to two, the observation is more or less same. It is forming a waterfall here after a bit of retracement looking downwards below 73. Yes, we can stay short here, but 72.4, 72 is going to be the next support zone. Below 72 is where further crash is awaiting. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely at bottom, RSI extremely oversold as well. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation, increase after this stronger drop. The bearishness is increasing. I will wait for the next candle, and if you see it is staying below 72.8, do not think that it is going to come back. Moving averages have crossed over and are trading with divergence. A possible retracement towards this zone can be seen, but also a reversal in the prices can be expected. If it stays beyond 73.8, 74, you can say that the bulls are back in action. Else, it is still not bullish. See, it is consistently looking downwards, and every candle is closing at bottom. This is a sign of bearishness. Stochastic oversold here. MACD hitting the lows again after the rise. RSI has also come to oversold zone. Coming to 4, on the 4-hour charts, the observation is same. See, every candle is closing at the bottom. This is a bearish sign that the bears are very much active here. What has happened here after a bit of consolidation? See, yesterday I mentioned lower highs are seen here, and thus still 76. Be careful. And what has happened? It has shown a sharper reversal. Moving averages crossing over here is again a good bearish sign, but I can also see that the bearishness getting diminished here. 72 is the next strongest support here. Until 72, you have to be careful. Also, look at this double bottom here. This is another one support which it should not break at around 71. Right now, I can see that the oil has turned bearish. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, observe this. See, moving averages are trading with divergence. I have mentioned here several times till 78.6, 79.2. Do not treat oil as bearish. Yes, yesterday it was trading in this flag formation. It has given a breakout out of this channel. Second observation here is it has come down to the support zone, which it has got reverted from. This were the support levels. Look at this, how stronger was this support here at 72.5 and 72 levels. Very, very strong supports are seen here. Despite a drop till towards 71.2, we have seen none of the candles closing below 72.4, 72.5. So this zone is definitely critical. Now for crude oil, this is almost the third time it is hitting this zone. So in the recent past, so we have to wait. We have to wait how it behaves today. Looking at the closer at the bottom, it suggests that it can continue with the bearishness. The stochastic oversold, MACD again crossing over here for sell, and RSI at bottom. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell oil. If you see the higher price below 73, you can take a selling entry 72.8, 72.5, 72.4 the next. And if it draws below 72.5, 72.4, stay short. 72.05 levels will come into rescue. Below 72.05 is where the bears are waiting, and you can look forward to a good drop towards 71.6, 71.2 zone. I do not see it breaking that strong, but yes, these are markets. Yesterday also it has shown a good breakout drop, and if it continues to trade below 72, you can say more bearishness will prevail here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at natural. Net gas has seen a good rise after a bit of consolidation towards 2.3. Yesterday, I have mentioned one thing that beyond 2.3, it is going to move towards 2.4 levels. Now, it has come towards the next milestone at 2.35. And today, at any point of time, if you see net gas breaking beyond 2.35, stay bullish, we can look forward to 2.4 as the next target. Yes, very much possible. What is happening here? It is waiting for the moving averages to climb up. It can retrace towards 2.3 and bounce back. Yes, I can see a little bullishness here in net gas. Stochastic has dropped to oversold MACD after retracing. Now, this is not a good sign for the bull side that is willing to cross over for sell. This suggests that it can consolidate here for a while till and stay within the zone 2.3, 3.35 before giving a breakout. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 hours. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, a flat top and a retracement. It is just consolidating its position. A buying entry is about 2.35, very, very clear. Moving average is crossing over here. That is also a good sign for the bulls here. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to overbought, trying to drop here on the 2 hour charts. MACD rising, RSI at top, coming to 3 hour charts. If you look at 3 hour charts here, what has happened? Slight retracement, then a rise, and now trying to reverse. I will wait for it to drop below 2.3. That is the only level below which we can expect. In fact, let me include 2.28 and 2.25. So below this only you can expect that it is reversed. Else it is entered into a buy zone. We can expect a possible move towards 2.4. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat at top. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at it, is showing a slight reversal sign, also forming a double top here, and this is not a good sign for the bulls. And thus, a possible move towards 2.3 or 2.28 exists here, but I will say still not a reversal. Yes, prices have come down, taken the support from 50-100 period moving average, trying to reverse. Also, just connect this, you will find slightly higher lows, higher highs. So very, very important for it to stay above 2.35 in order to stay bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see what has happened here. Price has retraced. Yesterday mentioned that it has formed a very good support at 2.2. What has happened taking the support? We have seen a good rise. It is delivering lower highs. We have to wait for 2.35 levels to be taken today, and then beyond this, I can expect it to move towards 2.4, 2.45, and 2.48, or in fact 2.5 levels are possible. Looking at the move it has shown yesterday, it can in fact keep moving on the upside. 2.5 levels cannot be denied here. Stochastic rising after hitting the lows, the MACD rising, the RSI flat. Considering this, very simple, buy at 2.35 levels and expect it to move towards 2.38, 2.4. First target zone 2.45, 2.5. The next possibility till 2.5 exists, very, very strong. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 2.32 levels. When you see the higher prices below 2.320, you can take a selling entry. Expect 2.3, 2.28, 2.25. Below 2.25 is where the bears are waiting, and below $2.2 levels is where you can say a crash is awaited. I do not see that. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships, and yes, do join the recommended broker, which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US.